I want to find people that like have podcasts where we can get into their journey. And I've always been really comfortable learning along the way. The only reason I share it with our listeners just to let them know that there's, two sides to that. And I know if I had more time and wanted to spend more energy or for example, I'm actually doing like 8 interviews per week. And I think you're publishing like lot less. And so, if I spent 4 or 5 hours per person, that would be a full-time job. Already, that would be a full-time job just on pulling that together. So there's certainly 2 sides to it.
Of course. But I know for my show, that's part of what makes my show unique is that I'll know the whole story and I'll pick out the 2 or 3 things that really we need to focus on, but I can then quickly create a narrative that we can kind of get through the rest of this, not get through the rest of the story, but you understand what I'm trying to say here, right? Like, because I do that research, I do my show a certain way. And, and that's okay. For some people, you need a ton of preparation to really have a really great show. Some people like Larry King, actually. Larry King was notorious for just getting in there and sitting down and having a conversation with someone and having never done any research on the people who came on his radio show and eventual TV show. But he wanted to approach it from the perspective of, I am someone who's just getting to know you just like my listener. He was intentional about that. And that's okay. If that's your intention, that's great. But I wanted to approach this show like, hey, listeners, this is a person who I have put in the time and effort to really figure out for you so that you know that this conversation that we're going to have is going to be very valuable because I've already done the work to figure it out for you and we're going to get the most important things.